My colleague Mahrukh Inayat has been sending in reports from relief camps and flood-hit areas, and she found policemen and administration officials missing, quite contrary to what the Chief Minister of J&K had to say.
No ma'am, नहीं, आपको गलत फहमी है। हम लोग यहाँ पे 3 नाइट्स यहाँ पे रह के गए हैं और हमें पता है हमारा काम क्या है। We are trying our best. Thank you.
क्या आपकी अपनी कम्युनिकेशन है गवर्नमेंट से, बाकी ऑफिसर्स से?
जी मैम, today we are all in a communication channel. हमारी आपस में सबसे बात हो रही है. No, we are effective.
Finally, we saw them on the streets, but nobody has faith in them anymore.
We are not getting fuel. We want diesel, we want petrol because our cars are out of fuel, so we cannot move our items to stuff to other places. That's the main issue. And
okay.
That government has to provide, not we.
Okay,
because
but
we cannot get fuel by air. We have got almost 2,000 kgs of luggage, this all thing with us, and in that we have brought food, milk, whatever possible, medicines, but we cannot get fuel. That is the big issue.
आप मुझे बताइए, सबसे वर्स्ट एरियाज में पुलिस क्यों नहीं है? कुछ तो आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा।
मैम, आप वर्स्ट एरियाज में जाएं एंड यू टेक अ फीडबैक फ्रॉम देयर. आवर प्रेजेंस इज एवरीवेयर. जहाँ हम लोग पहुँच सकते हैं वहाँ हम लोग पहुँच रहे हैं. आपको क्या लगता है कि ये एरिया पहले से ही सूखा था?
क्या आपकी अपनी कम्युनिकेशन है गवर्नमेंट से, बाकी ऑफिसर्स से?
जी मैम, today we are all in a communication channel. हमारी आपस में सबसे बात हो रही है. No, we are effective.
Most of them still inside the safety of the Thana, knowing that if they move towards the affected areas, they will face the wrath of the ravaged.
तो वो कैसे हेल्प करेंगे अगर वो यूनिफॉर्म
कर रहे थे? बिल्कुल हर कोई ऑन ग्राउंड था, बिल्कुल हर कोई था, लेकिन अब प्रेजेंस इसलिए नहीं लोगों को लगी क्योंकि यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं थे.
The police station in Baghat Barzila, we've just spoken to the SHO outside. He's not in the station right now, but clearly for the first time in 11 days, ever since the flood situation became really bad, we're finally seeing some presence. But ironically, like I mentioned before, it's in the areas that have been not really ravaged by the floods. Most of them here also try to tell us that they themselves were submerged in the water, and most of the police stations, including the police headquarters, still remain submerged underwater. But that's hardly excuse enough for the fact that the only agency that is responsible for law and order in the city of Srinagar was missing when it was needed the most. With camera person Prashant, this is Mahrukh Inayat inside the police station in Baghat for Headlines Today.